big one.
You want to do that when you have.
Well, these people around here